Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rebecca here from Bekah Bites, and today we are dedicating this video to jams and marmalades. These are so easy to make, it's cost effective and extremely delicious. So let's go! So I have here my grapes. I used approximately 1 kg of grapes that I pulsed. I didn't blend it thoroughly because I wanted some chunks of the skin for the jelly consistency. I thought it would have been really purple at this point and it wasn't, so I was a bit nervous, but it came together eventually and I was very relieved. So you're gonna pour your grapes into a large pot along with your sugar, and I forgot to film this but I added some water as well. Give that a stir and place it on medium to high heat and bring to a boil. You need to stir this frequently, scraping the sides of your pot because sugar tends to crystallize and we don't want that. As the bubbles get bigger, turn the heat down to low and allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes again while stirring frequently. At this point, I added a couple tablespoons of lemon juice and stirred again. Feel free to use lime as well. After about 22 minutes, I did the plate test. Took out a spoonful of the jam and placed it on a cold plate. If the jam holds together, then it's ready. Once it's runny, allow it to simmer again for probably another 10 minutes or so. Mine held together perfectly, which means it was finished. I allowed my jelly to cool down for a couple hours and then transferred it to a sterilized jar. I had it with some toast so you could get a closer look at the consistency. I repeated the same process with my pineapple marmalade. And I'm saying marmalade because I used a couple firm pineapples. I blended it as well, however the pineapple pieces didn't boil down and gel like I thought it would have. So if you're interested in making this pineapple jam, get yourself some completely ripe pineapples. So I'm just here repeating the same process. This was so easy and fun to do. I urge you to give these recipes a try with your friends and family. Both of them were extremely delicious, and I have to say I don't think I'll be buying grape jelly again because this one tasted amazing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. God bless. Bye.